Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video we are going to learn how to enable freeze panes and how to disable freeze panes. Freeze panes is one of the best features which are most useful when we are analyzing a long data. For example, here we have a data which belongs to EBC Private Limited product listing. There is some segment, country, product, discount, unit sold, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sales. Some data is available, right? So when we are analyzing this data, see here, I'm just going down. So when you are going to down, you may see that the top header, segment, country, product name, discount, unit sold, manufacturing sale price, manufacturing price, sale price, everything is there. So when you come to bottom, automatically the top headers are hidden. So I'm not able to understand, is the 10 is manufacturing price, is the 350 is the sale price, is 52 is 5,29,550 is a gross price. So it is highly difficult if you're not able to view the top headers. So when you're going to bottom, automatically all the top rows are hidden. So I'm not able to understand which header is there in the top, right? In the same manner, here there is some segment is listed, some country name is listed, some product name is listed. So when you are understanding the data by coming forward to right, forward to left, so when you go here, now here I'm understanding that month number 6, some amount is there. Now here I would like to see, is 90,540 belongs to which product, in which country it was happened, in which segment it was happened. Again you need to come to forward to like this. Okay, government, Germany, and here the pass here is the product name. So this is the way. Again if you want to go to down, again here I would like to see what is 1,55,250. Again I need to come to right to know the product name and segment and to know the country. So sometimes you need to freeze the columns and sometimes you need to freeze the rows, right? So first we'll start the session. So here I'm going to open the toolbar. Now the toolbar is not available. So if you once click on any tab, if you once double click on any tab, so the tool will get open. So here, see, first we'll just see in order to access the freeze panes, we just move to a view menu, sorry, the view tab. I'm not calling this as view menu because there is no slider menus. There is just a tab is going to be open. So here when you click on view tab, you can understand that there is a icon which is given as freeze panes, and here there is totally 3 levels of freeze panes are available. And if you once freeze panes is there, freeze top row. So if you once activate these, if you once activate the freeze top row, my cursor is available on D5. So if you once click on freeze top row, you may see that only the first row is freezed. So when you're going forward, it is freezed, right? It is viewable. It is, we can understand, okay, it is available here, but there is no use if you once lock only the, yes, these options help you when the data, when these headers are available in this area. I'll just go to cut this, and here I'm just going to paste file. I'll just make it demerge, and here I'm going to paste, cut here and paste. So when your headers are available only on top row, then you just go to view menu, freeze panes, and here freeze top row. So in these cases it helps you. So we can understand, okay, these 350 belongs to sale price, these 3,63,220 belongs to cost of goods sold. So here in this manner you can understand. But when your headers are not available on the first row, when your headers are available on first row, then you can hold them by going to freeze pane, view tab, freeze panes, and there you may click freeze top row. In the same manner, when your headers are available only on first column, then you can go back to view and freeze panes, freeze first column. So now here only the first column was freeze. So even yes, you can understand the data, but only by understanding only one segment. But here I don't want to lock only one column. I would like to lock total. I would like to lock these 4 rows. At the same time, I don't want to lock only one column. I would like to lock total 3 columns, right? So in that cases, are you understanding? When your headers are available only on top first row and again first column, then you may, to freeze them, you may use these 2 options, right? Now here I'm going to unfreeze first. So now it was completely unfreezed. Now here I would like to lock more than one row and more than one column. In that cases, just keep your cursor. Now here I'm going to keep my cursor in this location. So here I'm going to lock these 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows at the same time. 1, 2, 3. And here I'm just going to active my cursor in this location. Just keep your cursor next to the rows and next to the column that which you like to see. I would like to see these rows, so +1. I would like to see these columns, so +1 here. Then you just go to freeze panes functions. There you click on freeze panes. So wherever your cursor is located, automatically system will freeze the top rows and left side column. Now here you can understand the data. Yes, even if you come forward, these columns are available. Even if you go to bottom, these rows are available. So this is how freeze function tool works. And if you like to unfreeze these, just go to same view tab and click on freeze panes and click on unfreeze panes. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.